Welcome to the Government Provider Management System training video series. In this video, we will demonstrate editing the access of an existing GPMS user using the Registered Provider Portal. As an organisation administrator, you will be responsible for managing users' access in GPMS. User access management is limited to assigning roles specifically for the GPMS Registered Provider Portal. To begin, ensure you are logged into the GPMS Registered Provider Portal. Select the Manage Users tab at the top of the page. On the Manage Users landing page, you'll be presented with a panel on the left labelled Entities, and a panel on the right that lists portal users associated with those entities. The search bar on the main panel allows you to easily locate the user you wish to update. Select the entity that you wish to update the user's access to, then enter the user's name or email address into the search bar. Then click the search button. You can also browse through the pages of all users by clicking the forward and back arrows at the bottom of the list of users. Once you have located the user you want to update, click the drop-down arrow on the right of the record and click Manage User Roles. You will be taken to the User Details screen, which will display the user's name and company email, and the User Roles section that shows which roles are applied to the individual at the selected level. The user roles available for selection will differ depending on whether you are updating roles at the organisation or provider level. To change the access roles, homes, and/or branches, either tick or untick the relevant boxes. Please note that if no user roles are ticked, the user will no longer have access to GPMS. Once you have made the desired changes, click the Save button. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the update to the user's roles. Click Update to confirm all updates. If the edited user is currently logged into GPMS, the user will automatically be logged out of GPMS. You will be returned to the Manage Users landing page of the GPMS portal, which will display a green banner informing that the portal access for the user has been successfully updated. The user will receive an email notification advising their access roles have been changed. Thank you for watching this training video on editing users in GPMS. Take the time to view the other training videos in this series on logging into GPMS and adding users in GPMS.